The Erasmus Bridge, located in the vibrant city of Rotterdam, is an iconic landmark that has become synonymous with the city's skyline. Spanning across the Maas River, this architectural marvel has not only transformed the landscape of Rotterdam but has also become a major tourist attraction. For travel and photography enthusiasts, capturing the Erasmus Bridge from a drone can provide a unique perspective on its majesty. The view from above allows you to appreciate its intricate details and how it blends seamlessly into the surrounding urban environment. Designed by renowned architect Ben van Berkel, the Erasmus Bridge is a stunning example of modern engineering and design. Its sleek and elegant cable-stayed structure adds a touch of sophistication to the cityscape, making it a favorite subject for photographers and artists alike. Beyond its visual appeal, the Erasmus Bridge serves as an important transportation link for both pedestrians and vehicles. Connecting the northern and southern parts of Rotterdam, it provides easy access to key areas of the city and enhances connectivity for residents and visitors alike.